Hello crafties, this is Sandra from Wallifyer and Whimsy Dreams. I'm gonna show you a quick tip if you are searching for a clip art in the Etsy shops and you are working with a color theme. Say you want to find all the pink clip art designs that are available, then you just go to search this item and type in pink. And now you find all the pink designs in the shop. And let's try out blue, like this. And then you find all the blue clip art that is available. As I'm uploading new designs all the time, it's hard to find a specific, foolproof menu system here. So I know many are searching by colors as they are creating, say, a baby shower. Then this can be a great solution to find all the blue elements that is available for purchase. And that goes with branding elements as well. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember to sign up for the newsletter as well, as you get 20% off on all the clip arts. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye crafties. Bye bye.